Yes, we did it. Thank you, Father.
Ringing that bell.
Thank you, Father.
Hi, cheater. Yeah. All right. Should we get some pictures? 1, 2, 3.
Okay, I'm going to jump in.
Yes, jump in. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Awesome.
Let's take a big one.
Okay, yeah, everyone in. Everyone in. That's here.
I'll take a selfie.
No. It's okay. Just put that right here. Oh, thank you.
Glorious. Love you, Tina. Love you, Andy. Kids. Love you guys. My family.
I don't know what to do with this.
Yeah, just keep it on.
Thank you.
You're an expert too, Angle.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're awesome. Thank you.
No problem. I'll take it.
Huh?
So that we get in the ground.
Yes. So you can talk to him.
Okay, you guys ready? Okay, we're gonna ring the bell. We're here with my family.
Let's go.
Woo! So exciting. Okay, did we already sanitize and stuff, I guess?
So can we go with
I think so, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Upstairs or what?
Yeah. I think we can all go. I don't know about babies, but I told her that I was bringing all my family. Yeah. We're here. We're going to go upstairs to the 8th floor and ring the bell. This is the hospital that I spent lots and lots of time at. And last year. So we're so excited.
Here, let me touch it.
Did you guys see the news people here? Was there anyone else here?
We didn't see anybody. There's the KSL is supposed to be here, so I don't know if they're already upstairs or what.
Yeah.
They might just be up there.
Woo! Here we go.
Here we go.
8.
So, family, this reminds me of the airplane that came on. Before we boarded, please stay 6 feet. There's 5.5 hours. We all slept down. And as we're deboarding, thank you for coming on Delta Airlines. Please be respectful and stay 6 feet while you're like, what? Oh, sorry. All right, I love that because I'm flying on you today.
I feel like we need a flash mob.
Dancing.
Glorious.
Here, let me get this.
Oh, there's no fish. Mahalo for taking good care of her.
Oh, wow.
Thank you so much. I'm Tia's brother.
Oh, thank you for your donation. Yeah.
I didn't do anything.
Yeah,
You
that's
did all the
awesome.
work.
Congrats to you.
Thank you. Love you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Doing okay. Yeah. Doing good.
So Tia, who is this? Tell us.
This is Suzanne. This is one of my doctors that took care of me.
I am a nurse practitioner.
She gave me so much help and so much
Awesome.
love, and just she's amazing.
No, easy to do.
Oh, love you.
Mahalo from all of us.
Well, thanks for coming and visiting.
I know. Thank you. Thanks for letting me come. I'm gonna ring the bell.
All right, that's awesome.
Ring the bell.
Eh.
Ring the bell.
Hey!
Kate is the one. Kate shaved my head.
Kate! Woo! I love Kate!
She shaved my head. She carried me to the toilet. She's done lots of things for me.
Sing at your best.
Kept me. She basically kept me alive. She would dance.
We have a
with me.
funny story about that best side of her. But that's for another time.
That's not tip right now.
No, Kate is awesome. She became one of my really good friends.
We love Tia, so.
Mahalo, Kate. Mahalo. Thank you so much.
I'm excited.
Yes!
We're gonna kind of do it official.
Okay, let's do
We're
it.
gonna have you start down there.
Okay.
And then we'll have all your friends and stuff
Make it-
wait right here.
Okay.
And then kind of like the finish line.
Okay. I love it.
You're ready. Get it, girl. Do you have a song you want us to play? Yes.
Glorious.
Glorious!
Only one song for this show. Only one song.
Okay, hello! Nice to meet you. Hi. You guys are awesome.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna follow. Is it okay if I follow her with the? I got the live, okay? You too. Hey,
See these hallways?
hey,
This is the hallway.
hey.
I'm choking up right now.
I know, me too. It's
Two.
this is so like surreal because like we like would watch videos of you walking in your thing in here, you know.
See, like,
This is where you made your hats.
floor unit.
Oh,
All of our moments and times and notes, and this is the hallway that I would
Not me crying.
and I know we. Me and Kiana get the behind the scenes. We get the behind the scenes look.
this is where recreational therapy
Oh,
was
this
at.
is where you would like sit and do your bike.
Yep. Yep.
Oh man.
Okay.
Okay, you ready for this?
You ready?
Who knew we were videographers?
Oh wait, is she getting pictures too?
Yeah, she is.
Okay.
She's got it down, not me.
Oh, they got music yet?
Not yet.
Yeah.
It's close.
I'm just following you. So.
Hey! Hey! Yes! Yes!
I feel amazing. I feel so good. Honestly, I'm just so grateful. Grateful to be alive. Grateful to be here. Grateful for all of these nurses and doctors that have taken care of me. Just thank you. Thank you so much.
What does this moment mean?
It means that I fought so hard to be alive today. I'm here.
Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray!
Look at all these amazing nurses!
If you want to meet me outside in like 5 minutes, we'll go chat with them. If that's okay?
Yeah.
Okay, great. I'll text you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you guys so much.
A selfie with them?
Yeah.
Everybody come in, we'll take a selfie. You guys see
Alright, selfie time.
that? I came all the way from Hawaii. So.
Alright, we're gonna take a selfie real quick.
Can you move these balloons for a second?
Yeah.
Gotta make sure we got our nurses in there. Is that everybody? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Everybody put number 1 for you.
Shaka!
We did it, you guys. We did it. So much fun here.
Yeah, you wanna finish it? You wanna go outside?
Let's get a picture. Can I get a picture with my bell and my nurses? Okay, all of the nurses together. Come on. We did it. We did it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Hey, you want me to take pictures?
Yeah.
You wanna end
Or
it?
just record it.
Okay. Look how awesome this is. Squeeze and have some in the front. Can some come in the front? Thank you guys.
This is who did all the work.
We love you guys.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Yay! Woohoo! You guys are amazing.
Wait, do I get to take this home?
You should have it. Please no, say no, say no, say no. Please, say no, say no. She says no, but I see.
Are you fine too? Thank you guys so much.
Woo, 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 woo. Yes. Look how awesome.
Let me get the right angle. Okay, there we go. Let me back up.
I'm just chilling. I'm not even
God is great. Yes. Thank you guys. Gotta go out and meet with KSO. You ready? I said, you ready? You gotta go meet your KSO.
He was born ready.
Give me a picture.
I know he was. You both were born ready.
This thing's dance it out. No, it's on dance it out. Or,
Dance it out.
yeah, what is that? No, the.
Walk it out.
Oh, walk it. Oh, sorry.
It's okay, coach. I got you, bro.
Love you, love you.
Here, let me get one on here too. Okay, got it.
Boom. Love it.
Okay. Julie, come here.
Get in there, King.
Come.
Jules.
Wait till after.
1, 2, 3. Sorry, guys. You guys jump in. Kiona, you want to get in there, baby?
Yeah.
It's okay.
Go ahead. Come. I got you. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Sorry, I should have brought more of it.
Perfect.
I'm walking for you.
Do you want to get in there, sweetheart? Get in there.
Oh, sure.
Yeah, so,
Me, I guess we'll just show them.
Awesome. All right, you guys, we love you. Thank you for watching. Thanks for being here with us. Thanks for ringing the bell with me. I love you. I love you. I love you.